How to book Grab Express Delivery. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to book Grab Express Delivery. First of all, open up the GrabPay app. Once you get into the app, tap on Express from the top bar. Then click on the next button. After that, tap on the Select Profile option. Now choose the option to personalize your experience. Tap on the Personal option and click to confirm. After that, you can book any delivery from here. You can read the instant delivery details from here. Or you can scroll down a bit to find out about how to use the delivery form or how to use Grab Express COD. So to use Grab Express COD, the first thing you need to do is choose Cash on Delivery as add-on, then indicate the amount that will be collected from the recipient by the driver. Now fill out the delivery details and indicate option for delivery guarantee and total weight of the item. Then, check if the details are already correct. Now select payment method and promo code to be used. Then click Book a Delivery to confirm. After that, processing screen will appear. Now the app will continue to allocate the booking to a driver. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.